First modification I get to do under the hood, I'm going to do a JLT Catch Can. Got my directions, all my good stuff right here. As you can see, nothing's been done under the hood so far. Whenever we get done installing it, I'll show you what it looks like. Figured I might show you a little bit of the step-by-step. So anyways, you pop that little clip right there and that little clip right there. Pop them off. Remove that piece. Step one. Alright, step two, they say you got to remove this wiring harness right here off the battery tray. I like using this little tool right here. It makes it easy to pop those little deals, like so. Easy enough. Next up, it says you got to take this little clip right here and install it right over that hole, like so. Then we'll take this bracket and we'll actually bolt it down right there. Be right back. And there you have it. It's installed nicely. Works really good. It also says optional, you can drill a hole right there so you can install another clip and bolt. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Use a drill, but what I decided to do, I just happen to have one of these self-tapping screws right here. So that's what I'm going to use. We'll drill a hole. Make sure you marked it correctly. Just like that. It'll be done. Alright, as you can see, it's got a good, nice, clean hole. Now we'll get the other tab, whatever you want to call these little clip deals. We'll put that on there. Put that on there like so. Move that over the top. This other bolt supplied in the kit. And then install it. Alright, so here we are. Took a 10mm socket. Tighten that side up. Tighten that side up. Very nicely done. Very rigid. On to the next step. Alright, so the next step, you're going to take these two screws right here and you're going to mount them right there into the top of the catch can. Nice and snug. Just like so. Alright, and last but not least, you got to install the clips. Just mash it down like so and it goes right on there. The front side goes to the top of the intake, and then the back side goes right in here. And that's the install. I'll say this, JLT outdid themselves on this. Easy job, easy installation. Less than 15 minutes to do the job. Appreciate you watching, guys.